As we discussed in the last video, defining your ad placement is choosing where your ads will appear to your audience and how they will look. Your ad placement determines whether your ads appear on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, and other audience network, as well as how they look on each platform. So, for example, you could choose to have your ads appear in Facebook and Instagram newsfeed and stories, but not on Messenger or WhatsApp. And there are a lot of options to choose from. We are going to break down how it works in this video. So if you choose the Ad Manager automatic placement option, Facebook will allocate your budget across multiple placements based on where they are likely to perform best. We recommend using automatic placement most of the time. So Facebook can make the most of your ad budget and you can get the best results possible. When using automatic placements, Facebook also provide brand safety features. If there is certain apps or services you don't want your ads on, as well as creative customization option if you want to show different creatives on different platforms. So if you do decide you need full control over your placements, the option is also available to you by selecting manual placements. We will go over the current placements now. Facebook major ad placements types are feeds, stories, in-stream, search, messages, in article, and apps. So let's break them down one by one. And let's start with feeds. When your ads are placed in feeds, that means that they are appear to people scrolling through their inbox, desktop, or mobile feeds on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. There are 7 different feed placements. The first feed placement is Facebook news feed placement, which is probably the type you are most familiar with. And this is when an ad appear in between posts from your friends and pages you follow. The second feed placement is Instagram, which is when your ad appear in between the post of people and businesses that you follow on Instagram. The third feed placement is on Facebook Marketplace. This is when your ad are placed in the Marketplace homepage, or when someone browse Marketplace in the Facebook app, your ad will appear with other relevant products and services on Marketplace. Feed placement number 4 is via Facebook video. Here your ads appear between videos in Facebook Watch and Facebook News feed. Feed placement number 5 is on Facebook right column. Your ad will appear on the right column on Facebook, and right column ads only appear to people browsing Facebook on their computers. Feed placement number 6 is on Instagram Explore. Here your ad will appear to them when they click on the content they found in the browsing experience that called Explore. Feed placement number 7 is in the Messenger inbox. Here your ad appear in the home tab of Messenger between conversation. Those are all the feed ad placements. Next we will talk about this story ad placement. Facebook Ads Manager let you post story ads on Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram. They are typically full screen vertical images or videos of 5 to 15 seconds long. Story ads will show you an ad between stories of people you are friend with or you follow. And story ads are great to grab the audience attention for a few seconds. They are particularly good at letting your audience know that a product exists. Next, we have in-stream ads. Your ads will appear on video on demand and in a select group of approved partner live stream on Facebook. Your ad can appear before, during, or after video content. In-stream ads are currently only available on Facebook. Next, we have the search placement. This means that your ad can appear on Facebook and Facebook Marketplace. If someone searches something related to your product, for example, someone looking for flowers in Amsterdam on Facebook Marketplace could be shown a Kalanway ad. After that, we have sponsored messages. If you choose this placement, your ad will appear as messages to people who have had an existing conversation with you in the Messenger. Second to last, we have the Facebook instant article placement. And this is mean that your ad will appear in someone article on the Facebook mobile app. Finally, our last ad placement is apps, which displays your ad in external app through the Facebook audience network. And our audience network extend Facebook people's based advertising beyond the Facebook platforms. So when you choose to use the ad placement, Facebook will show your ad on a multitude of external apps that they partner with. And those apps are basically chosen to display Facebook advertising as part of their in-app experience. Now, four types of app placements: native, banner, interstitial, and rewarded video. And we will go over each very briefly. For audience network, native banner and interstitial ads, Facebook take your ad creative and then transform it to better blend in the partner app environment. The native ads are custom ad unit designed to fit into the app experience. And you can see in this example how the column way ad blend into the atmosphere of the app. Banner ads are small bar ads that show at the top of your screen in the app you are in. The interstitial ad is a full screen ad designed to appear at natural transition points within an app. Lastly, there are rewarded video ads. This placement is most often placed in mobile games. Players can choose to watch a video in exchange for a reward such as virtual currency or an app item. Hence the name rewarded videos. And that's all of Facebook major ad placements. And that was a lot of ground to cover. So thanks for bearing with us. Just to recap, we recommend choosing the automatic placement setting in Ad Manager to allow Facebook delivery system to do the placement selection for you. But now you know all the available placements if you need to do it manually. And you can also adjust your ads to make sure they best fit their placements. That's all for this lesson. See you in the next video.